What is all this, you ask? Well, stick around and find out, because you're about to find out. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new to my channel, this is Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And today we are going to be painting on a little wood cutout from the Dollar Tree that I got. I was watching Jigna over at Pour Some Love. That's her channel. If you haven't seen it before, go check it out. She's doing a rainbow series, and I think this tonight was the last one in the series. It was a rainbow wave, and it looked so similar to a rock design that I do, what I call a wave of love. Here you go, you can see that. It's got the little wave on it, and I call them waves of love. So, been doing them for a while, and I thought, wow, I have got some wood cutouts that I wanted to re-pour over. This one's already been resined. This was very, very early in my paint pouring journey, and I did not prep the wood. And I don't know if you can see, but it must have shifted during the night, and I got a wrinkle in the actual paint. You can see the wood grain in certain areas. I mean, overall it was pretty as far as the color choices and everything. But yeah, but it's got a coat of resin on top now, so now it's completely smooth. So you shouldn't see any of the wood grain popping through, thank goodness. And I thought, because of the way she did her pseudo swipe, she did a bloom technique. And what I do with my pseudo swipe is similar. It is not a bloom technique. It does not contain any house paints or Minwax, polyacrylic, and wood conditioner and all that kind of stuff. I just use my Elmers School Glue pouring medium and paint, a little bit of water. So, but I was watching her do hers, and I thought, I wonder if I can get my wave of love design to work on this, doing a swipe. So that's what we're going to try. Here are my colors. And I've got the purple, because I always start out with a purple base on my rocks. And that is made up of Arteza Pearl Amethyst Purple with a little bit of Prism Violet by Liquitex Professional Heavy Body Acrylic. Then the top of the wave, I start out with blue. And that is a combination of Arteza Pearl Electric Blue and Arteza Pearl Sky Blue. The next color in line will be the yellow green. That is a combination of Arteza Pearl Golden Hour, Amsterdam Standard Series, Azo Light or Azo Yellow Light, and a little bit of light green permanent by Liquitex. So those three made this one. And then last but not least, we have Pearl Rose by Arteza. And then our swipe color is going to be white tonight, and that is the Amsterdam Standard Series Titanium White. I tested it on my little tile so you can see I got some nice lacing. So hopefully we'll continue getting all that prettiness as we do this. Okay. can zoom in. Okay, well, I'm gonna try and get this done anyway. Please ignore the dogs barking in the background. So this was the painting we did that was inspired by Jigna at Pouring Some Love, and I think it came out great. It was also inspired by my own designs. Put them all together, and yeah, the shape is pretty much there. I think it turned out pretty good for my first shot at it. So, but yeah, there's the swipe, and now it just needs a resin top coat, and it should be really good. So, yeah, so thanks again to Jigna at Pouring Some Love. If you haven't checked out her channel yet, please do so. I will leave a link in the description, and until next time, guys, hugs and loves, y'all. Bye.